Need a new Gmail account for work, school, or just a fresh start? Creating one is quick, easy, and gives you access to email and many Google apps. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to create a new Gmail account, from choosing your email address and password to verifying your account, so you can start using Google services right away. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to gmail.com. If you do not have an existing account, click on Create Account. If you are currently logged into your existing Gmail account and want to create a new one, simply click on the profile icon on the top right and then click on Add Another Account. Click on Create Account. Here you can select for your own personal use, for your child, or for your work or business. Next, enter your first name and last name, which is optional. Then click on Next. Enter your date of birth and gender. Google uses your birthday to make sure you meet age requirements for certain Google services and provide a more personalized experience. Enter the username that you want for your new Gmail account. If you entered a username that has already been taken, an error message will pop up. Once you have entered a non-taken or new username, click on Next. Enter the password that you want and enter the same password under Confirm. Make sure you are typing in the same password. Check on Show Password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click on Next. Google will make sure you are not a robot, so key in your phone number and Google will send you a verification code. You will need to make sure you have a valid and working phone number for this verification process. Once you entered the correct verification code, your new Gmail account will be created successfully. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.